guys, it's Vaishali. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna make Dalgona coffee. It's pretty famous on internet these days, and when you're quarantined at home, this would be a great activity if you like coffee. So it's really easy to make and you'll need only 3 ingredients for this. So let's quickly get into the video. So this is an instant coffee granules that I'm using here. Here in Germany we call it Kaffee. We'll take all the ingredients in equal quantity. 2 tablespoons of coffee granules, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. So that is it. So these are the only 3 ingredients we are going to use here. Now mix it a little. If you have an electric beater, you can use that, or you can use whisker, or if you do not have whisker, also you can use spoon. So that would also work. So I'm going to use this electric beater here. You will notice that in a minute it will turn light in color. So just whip it until it gets light and fluffy. So it's about 2 minutes since I'm beating this, and this is getting thicker and lighter and a bit fluffy here. So I'm going to beat it for more. Let's see how it goes and how will it look. So as you see, you'll get this foamy texture. So this is what we need. So it took me around 3 to 4 minutes to get this texture, and if you're using hand whisker, then it can take more time. Now take a glass and put some ice cubes in it, or you can use chilled milk also. So here I'm pouring milk without sugar in a glass, and then we will put this foam coffee on top of it. If you want, you can use cake piping bags also, so it will look better. Many of you must have tried this Dalgona coffee, so this was the first time that I was trying my hand with this Dalgona coffee, and it became really good. I just loved it and hope you will also like. So try this out at your home. At last, just sprinkle some cocoa powder or the coffee granules on it, and we are done. This Dalgona coffee is ready. It's really very simple to make this coffee, and it tastes really good. So you must try this. Let me show you after mixing this how it will look. This foamy texture is really good, and it can take much time to mix it. So it's a very strong coffee, so mix it well and then drink it. Enjoy this Dalgona coffee with your family as you're quarantined at home, and do consider subscribing my channel. If you like the video, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.